I declare in front of all of you here and in front of all the progressive forces of South Africa, Africa and the world, that I will do everything in my power to bring about economic freedom and common prosperity in our lifetime. I commit that when I'm president and head of state of South Africa, I will not be involved in any form of wrongdoing and corruption. I will protect our natural resources and I will grow our economy to create millions of jobs for all our people. I'm not a sellout. I don't have a history of selling out. I've never sold any of my friends or comrades or any of my fellow fighters out. I've always demonstrated loyalty to those who served with me in the trenches. I commit to be loyal to the Constitution of the Republic of South Africa and make sure that the Constitution does not serve only those who are associated with white monopoly capital. After my inauguration, I will immediately increase social grants for all grandparents to more than 4,000 per month. After my inauguration, I will increase the child support grant to 1,200 per month. After my inauguration, I will immediately send highly skilled teams of professionals to resolve the water crisis facing our communities. We can commit here that there will never be a community within the first 12 months of our government that will not have access to clean water and drinkable water. When we take over government on the 16th of June 2024, we will start the process of insourcing security guards and general workers in all government institutions, and there will never be a government worker who's going to be paid less than 10,000 per month. There will never be a government worker who does not have medical aid. There will never be a government worker without a pension fund. There will never be a government worker who does not have the leave days. Fellow South Africans, they suspended load shedding for 2 months. They did so because elections are coming. Under the EFF government, there will not be any form of load shedding, not just for 2 months, but forever. There will never be load shedding in South Africa. Vote for electricity on the 29th of May, and please make sure you vote against load shedding. Comrades, we are going to give uniform to all our children in schools. We must make sure uniform is free of charge. And at TVET colleges, we must make sure, and university, that the courses offered are relevant to our economy. Why is there no short courses which teach us poultry farming, pig farming, goat farming, and vegetable farming? Why is agriculture dominated by ZZ2 in Limpopo? We are going to bring to an end the domination of ZZ2 of our agriculture economy and of our land. Comrades, we are going to give our people houses, and our houses are going to be in good condition. Our houses are going to have 3 bedrooms. Our houses will have a dining, a kitchen, and a bathroom inside with a flushing toilet. Comrades, I am not here to launch a manifesto. I am here to conclude the campaign of the EFF. I am here to say to you, we have run a good race. We are here today because we ran a very successful campaign. The ground forces of the EFF have made everybody aware that there is a child called the EFF who must be given an opportunity to lead. We are here very proud that we did everything to make our generation very proud. All of you who are here, your names will be called when the books of history are read, that you took a stand and said you are going to fight for economic freedom in our lifetime. Let's go out, let's go in our numbers, let's mobilize our people, the ground forces of the EFF. Now is the time for economic freedom in our lifetime. Now we have a responsibility to vote for the government of the people, for the people, to vote for the people's education. Amanda! Viva EFF, viva! Viva EFF, viva! Aule EFF, aule! Aule EFF, aule! Tata EFF, tata!